ice too.
Where do you live at?
Girdled Road again. Pudgy and the big beads and his new boots. Check them out. This will be the last time you see them that clean. They're glowing in the sun.
Yeah, we had
Let's keep those 5s on, Mr. Pudge.
a couple hours ago actually.
It's like, okay, if I have to. Casey's sleeping in the sun.
I still threw everybody out.
We got some snow last night. There's just a little bit on the ground. There's Casey's baby, Mia, and Jim.
She's getting her schooling.
I have Maya. And Maya's parked in the trailer. She's thinking of climbing back in like she did the other day. And I think she's going to if I let go of these reins a little bit. You're doing a wonderful job of vacuuming, Maya. The naughty child that you hide away at home. You were supposed to trot by and grab that on the fly, Jim. That is not a good blooper video. I put Pudgy's boot on a little crooked. We're watching for bloopers. Pudgy who trips anyway. Look at this blue sky! November 25th. Sweet! And then we have Cheryl on Mustang in the front there, who wastes no time getting out of the trailer on the horse, 2 seconds flat, go. She goes again. Sue's on a horse, they're trotting. The first ride in snow. Not measurable, but enough to look pretty. The sun came out and melted it all off the trees. I was kind of hoping we'd see it on the trees. Oh well.
Weather Channel this morning, it was supposed to rain this afternoon. I'm glad it didn't rain.
It's beautiful.
But then they
I'm not watching where I'm going. Maya's running into Pudgy's butt. Maya march. Maya march. Pudgy parade truck. Here we are at the water. Mustang pooping. Pooping and backing. Pooping on Casey. Your horse just pooped on Casey. Poor Case. You should have pooped on Maya or Mia. They're lighter. Would have made more of an impression. Look, a mare that drinks. I don't know too many mares that actually like the water.
Maya actually took a drink of water.
Maya did?
Just did.
And I missed it.
No,
She's eating a leaf.
no,
She's faking you out. Where's your poop stain, Casey? You got pooped on. Mia's gonna give us a blooper. Going deeper and deeper. Oh yeah, move on. Casey was in the way. Sweet. Casey was in the way, I couldn't see. How's your chaps, Jim? I knew I should have told you to back, Lynn. That's awesome. Mia's like, I'm not doing that no more. That wasn't so cool. It's kind of cold. Mustang! Look at that pretty boy. Oh, he's beautiful. What a face. Well, we're going to get my eye shot.
Well, we're way too close. You need to get away. You just
Yeah, that means I have to go in the water.
Yeah. There we go. Yay!
Ears are up. Yes!
Yay!
I think we had the video camera.
I'm taping and Pudgy's ears are up in the...
Of course, I should be taking still pictures. He's like, oh, camera? Camera?
Come on, Maya, flap your lips.
Yeah, this is for you and you
Okay. Come on, Maya, flap your lips. She's not doing as much lip flapping as normal.
I got one ear up. Mare.
passing the cameras around. Finally, we're getting some film of Jenna. Maya! Hi, Mai.
If she falls off putting the horse here.
Maya! Good girl. She's looking at Pudge.
Oh, wow!
She and Pudge were having a stare down.
Holy cow!
Hi, Maya.
Here.
Hi, Maya. Best thing. Very pretty best thing.
Did we have enough fun at this water? Should we go to the other water?
Go, Mia. Go, Mia. Go, 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 Mia. Ooh, Mustang. Way to go, buddy. Good boy. Okay, Mia's turn. She's going swimming. Oh boy, good girl. Oh, she's a lot braver than my Jewel. There's no way in hell I'd get Jewel over there. She's naughty like my Jewel, but she's... Aww. I should take a still picture. Pudgy's gearing up to truck up the hill. Maya, we will not be leaving the boots at the bottom. She's like, woohoo! Go, my. Woohoo! I don't think this canter is so bad. Ah! Got hit in the head. Keep going, my. There, girl. She says, I'm tired.
Yeah!
We got past. I run out of gas and we got past. Puppies! Big fluffy puppies! Look, Maya, they look like doggy versions of you. Look how cute you are! We made it to the top. Look how pretty. I love snow in the woods. So pretty. If it were on the trees, it would really be cool. What she done did to Pudgy before. Uh-oh. Watch out for me.
Got your warning there, Jenna.
I know. I was waiting for a blooper moment with Maya. Trying to... And here we are at the end of the trail and Pudge is still parade trotting. He gets a second wind, and a third, and a fourth. He just smells the trailer. That's what he's going for now. Here we are. Just about done with our ride. It's looking quite wintry. Everything is dead. But the sky is blue. We're not complaining. Thanks again, Jan, for another ride on your wonderful horses. Can't wait till you can join us. It's over. We hate when the rides are over. The drafty kid said, we don't hate it. It's chow time. Woohoo! Bag. Who's going to get it first? Oh, Maya's not even going for it.
She doesn't know it's there. That
Look,
she does.
Maya. Oh, can I have some of that? Let me have some. No, I want some.
Get out of my hay bag.